If you're also on the hunt for a fantastic feature-packed smartphone in the mid-budget range, then Nokia is about to make a blockbuster entry to fulfill all your wishes. Because this spectacular smartphone from Nokia will blow your mind, with a 300-megapixel DSLR camera, and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Play 3 Max 5G. In today's video, we'll dive into this phone's full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia Play 3 Max 5G. Display. This stunning smartphone boasts a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, protected by Gorilla Glass 7. Plus, it comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, and an IP68 rating for ultimate durability. Camera setup. When it comes to the camera, this phone is an absolute beast. It features a quad camera setup, with a primary 300-megapixel sensor. Yes, you heard that right. Alongside that, you get a 100-megapixel, 16-megapixel, and 5-megapixel sensor for ultra-versatile photography. And for selfie lovers, a 64-megapixel front camera is ready to make your snaps look flawless. Operating system and performance. Under the hood, this phone runs on the latest Android 16 OS, ensuring a smooth and futuristic experience. And powering it all is the monster Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the most powerful chipset in mobile right now. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Not with this phone. It packs a massive 7100 mAh battery, which can easily last you 2-3 days on a single charge. And when you do need to juice up, 125-watt super fast charging will get you back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $499, but we'll know the exact figure once it officially launches. And speaking of launch, this powerhouse is expected to hit the market by the end of this year.